Hello, I'm DRoger, General Counsel for the Las Vegas Police Protective Association. In this segment, I would like to talk to you about the United States Supreme Court and federal constitutional law. As you know, the U.S. Supreme Court is the supreme law of the land, but what does that really mean? The U.S. Supreme Court has vast jurisdiction. The U.S. Supreme Court has jurisdiction to decide whether either a state or federal law is constitutional based upon the federal Constitution. They are tasked with the responsibility of interpreting federal law, laws enacted by Congress. They are the appellate court for the different circuit courts. We're in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, and so they decide appeals from the Ninth Circuit Court. They determine or they resolve conflicts between the different circuit courts. And so if the Ninth Circuit Court disagrees or has a different opinion than the First Circuit Court of Appeals, then the U.S. Supreme Court can, if they so desire, resolve those two conflicts. And so that is the federal authority of the U.S. Supreme Court. They can accept cases, and that's what we call a writ of certiorari. And so they are not obligated to take any cases. They can pick and choose the cases that they want to decide. And if they decide to accept a case, then they are said to have granted a writ of certiorari. And then the issue is fully briefed by the attorneys and submitted to the entire court for a decision. Some things that they don't do. They do not have authority to interpret the state constitution. And so they do not have the authority to interpret Nevada state laws. They don't have the authority to interpret the Nevada Constitution. That is left to Nevada. However, if a Nevada law violates the federal Constitution, they have jurisdiction. And so it's important to understand how all the different courts function in order to understand the case law of the state of Nevada, Nevada statutes, which you are tasked with enforcing. I hope this helps a little bit with your understanding of the different constitutional principles, so that when we talk about our state statutes or state case law, or even the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, which has jurisdiction over federal law, you'll have a better understanding. As always, thank you for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also contact me at DRoger with any legal question, whether it is job related or otherwise. And of course, you can contact us at PPA. Thank you very much.
111, 110.